lettuce, and I have actual bird seed. This bread, I was afraid it would go bad, so I wanted to hurry up and hopefully it's okay that some big pigeons coming in for the they're so cute. I love doing stuff like this because pigeons are awesome. I know if there's too many people that don't want to feed. And usually, I don't always do bread. I like to do bird seed, but guess what? The pigeons won't eat the bird seed. Geese will, and the little tiny like sparrows will. It's so funny when you see a piece of bread like fall on it. It's so cute. Well, see, these birds have no agenda other than eating. So, anyway. So I'm using an arm that's a little bit. Oops. A big piece. Pick off a bit. Okay. I guess there are about 4 pieces. This bread technically has a lot of preservatives, I guess. I'm used to bread going bad because, you know, but to be on the cheap side, I've had to buy this. It's not my favorite. I don't love eating tons of bread, but I keep it vegetarian. Lady over there with a dog. A brown Doberman Pinscher. I don't know if he's a mix. He might be a mix. He has the colors of a Doberman Pinscher, but really gave him a feeding today. I'm wondering if we'll call in others. Oops, sorry, big guy. Some are just waking to the party. Sorry about that. Technically they're supposed to be eating that bird seed, and I think you know, landscapers and groundskeepers appreciate bird seed. Bird seed causes less you know, droppings that are, you know, a little over the top. So alright, should we? Oh, they like the bird seed. Alright, this will be the last one, I guess. Oh, there's some birds over there. Maybe one more. at a certain age you love like nature a little more, and go out here. Hi guys, I hope you have a good breakfast. Sunday manna, you know, the daily bread. Little bird that came in here, so maybe he'll come back to that feed there. Alright, they got their morning breakfast there. This guy, don't walk through there. Don't walk through there. Don't be an asshole. Don't be a jackass. Walk off this side. He got a little too close, so they have to think about it and come back. Right, the little sparrows will come back. The pigeons might take a while. Here go those little birds. Here we go. They're coming in. One back. They were playing a little tag there. All right. All right. Well, the little sparrows have some food, so we'll go. Right. So there's other birds. But should I save the bird food? I don't want to go totally wild. There's always these buses here at the Westin, or even the Palomar and the Sofitel, which are another block down. And for a while, the Academy buses, whoever they carry around, kept getting special motorcycle police escorts, whatever that's called. And it would be like, who's getting this special escort by all these, like, a motorcade of police? I don't know. I couldn't figure it out. I didn't see any signage on the buses. I only ran into like one. It's on a short from ages ago. So that's that. Toasted sandwiches, Jimmy John, hot. They're here and they're hot. Chicken, bacon, ranch, and so on and so on. Coming in hot, right? I've been watching the Daily Woo with Adam Woo, and I noticed he likes to say, coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot. There's a steamboat on Disney's, you know, I don't know all the Disney language and terminology and